Welcome, food lovers. Today we're diving into Thai cuisine with a beloved classic, Pad Krapow Mu Saap, or stir-fried holy basil with minced pork. First, let's go over our ingredients. You'll need minced pork, garlic, Thai chilies, holy basil, and our sauce components. 300 grams of minced pork, 3 garlic cloves, Thai chilies to taste, and fresh holy basil, the star ingredient. We start by making our flavor paste. Add garlic and chilies to your mortar and pestle, then pound until you get a coarse paste. Next, mix your sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauces, fish sauce, and sugar. This pre-mixed sauce makes cooking faster. Heat your wok over high heat with oil. We want it really hot for that perfect stir-fry sizzle. Add the chili garlic paste to hot oil. Stir-fry for 30 seconds until fragrant. Don't burn the garlic. Add the minced pork. Break it up and stir-fry until no longer pink and cooked through, about 3-5 minutes. Pour in your pre-mixed sauce. Stir everything together, ensuring the pork is evenly coated. Finally, the holy basil. Add the leaves and stir-fry for 30 seconds. The basil will wilt but stay vibrant green. For the perfect fried egg, heat oil in a small pan. Crack the egg. The edges get crispy while the yolk stays runny. Scoop the Pad Krapow onto steamed rice, then top with your crispy fried egg. And there you have it, perfect Pad Krapow Mu Saap with crispy fried egg and jasmine rice. The fragrant spicy pork with runny egg yolk creates unforgettable harmony. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you try this recipe.